Mixed buffer solutions. These are two types: acidic buffer solution and basic buffer solution.
Yes, sir.
I can say these are acidic buffer solution and basic buffer solution. Here, very simple condition I am giving. Try to remember acidic and basic buffer solution. In acidic buffer solution, weak acid plus salt with strong base. Salt with strong base. These two should be
Yes.
present in the solution. Then only that can act as acidic buffer solution.
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
Weak acid plus salt with strong base. Na which is strong base.
Strong. Yes. Okay, sir.
Weak acid, formic acid plus salt with strong base. HCOOK. Like that. Both
Okay,
will
sir.
be present. Or
Okay, sir.
indirectly, weak acid plus its conjugate base HCOO minus this is.
Yes, sir.
If these are present, these we can say acidic buffer solution. And pH
Okay.
mostly less than 7 only, na? Acidic buffer means.
Yes, sir.
And basic buffer. Same exactly opposite. Can you? Weak base, salt with strong acid. Can you write?
Yes, sir.
E-
Salt with strong acid. Yes, sir.
Correct. Even we can take weak base, like some calcium hydroxide also they consider weak base actually. I can give some more examples here. These are the combination of weak acid, weak bases. Weak acid, strong base salts. Even H2CO3 and NaHCO3 also buffer solution. H2CO3 is weak acid and salt with strong base. This acidic buffer.
Mhm. Yes, sir.
And basic buffer also you can see here. Yeah, somewhere we can find. This is the pH of basic buffer. Here you can find out examples. Weak base, salt with strong acid, basic buffer. So they given one example. We can see remaining later.
Yes, sir.
Our target is finding a pH of acidic buffer solution, basic buffer solution. That is our basic target.
Okay, sir.
Now we can see buffer action. Only 1 minute. It won't take too much time. Buffer action.
Okay, sir.
Buffer action of acidic buffer I am taking. Acidic buffer is CH3 COOH plus CH3 COONA. This is the combination. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose I am adding acid. This is salt, nothing but CH3CO minus is say Na is salt. This is CH3COON minus plus Na plus is there like that. Okay, salt this is.
Okay, sir.
If you are adding NaOH, it can react with whom? Is acetic acid is there and this is salt is there. Salt is basic character only, na? Salt is because weak
Yes, sir.
acid is strong base. So base they can't react. Only chance is
We
acid.
are with POH.
Only acetic acid. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then it can react. Then you will get CH3COONA plus H2O. So which is I am adding OH minus that converted into water. So there is no extra OH minus in the solution. No pH
Yes, sir.
change. If I am
Yes,
adding
sir.
HCl, it's going to be react with basic character, which is acetate and sodium acetate.
Yes, sir.
So which is I am adding my say HCl that going to react with salt that you will get CH3COOH plus NaCl. So here also
Yes.
there is no extra H plus ion in the solution, so pH doesn't change.
Yes, sir.
Here CH3COO minus, I am calculating pH of acidic buffer solution. Calculation of pH of acidic buffer. pH of acidic buffer. This is only they are going to be called Henderson equation. Scientist name, okay?
Okay, sir.
Henderson equation. Very simple here. Here acid is there, salt is there, which undergo 100% dissociation, salt.
Salt.
Because salt alpha value is 1. Okay, it can dissociate 100%. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then acetic acid also present, na acetic buffer means.
Yes, sir.
But it can exist equilibrium.
Uh, okay, sir. Hi, because it's an acid, it will exist. Okay,
Yes,
sir.
weak acid, it can exist equilibrium. But
Okay.
you have common ion effect. Because
Yes, sir.
acetylene is
See,
common ion.
the common.
So in presence of salt, dissociation of acetic acid is very less.
Uh, yes, sir.
So now I am assuming that one, which is I am getting acetate ion mostly from, I am writing acetate ion total concentration. I am getting from salt. Yes or no? Salt only, no?
Salt and acid,
Acid.
sir.
Hmm. So I am taking neglecting acid almost. That's
Yes.
salt only I am getting due to common ion effect.
Okay, sir. Like it's a weak acid, so it will be less, sir. Like
Correct.
that.
Yes, correct. Because of common ion effect. Can you write here Ka value for acid? Ka equal to acetate ion H plus by acetic acid. Got it?
Yes, sir. We can do it like that.
Then our target is pH. You can separate out H plus N.
Yes, sir.
Ka into acetic acid.
Concentration of CH3COH by a concentration of CH3CO minus.
Can you apply both sides negative logarithm?
Yes, sir.
Then I think so we can write it finally. pH minus log H plus this is.
Yes, sir.
You can try it. What you'll get?
Minus log. 1 second, sir.
Yeah, you can try. So this is pH equal to pKa. This is minus log acetic acid by acetate ion. If I want to remove minus means I can reverse that one.
Oh, what, sir?
If I want to remove this minus in front of minus log acetic acid by acetate ion, na, if
Yes,
I
sir.
want to remove this minus means I can inverse this is.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can do that.
Then I can get this is like. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So finally pH equal to pKa plus log of, this is salt I can write now, acetate ion equal to salt only I can write indirectly.
Yes, sir.
Salt by acid. Got it?
Yes, sir.
That square bracket indicate concentration. That square bracket indicate concentration. So pH
Yes.
equal to pKa plus log of, you may can write n into V of salt by n into V of acid also. Normality into volume or number of moles into volume, like that you can write in place of
Yes.
concentration. So this is the pH of acidic buffer solution. I think basic buffer also you can write very easily. I don't give full derivation, I am not going to give, but we can get it.
Yes, sir.
pH of basic buffer. So I am taking example here NH4OH plus NH4Cl. So
Sir, I
yeah,
have uh, basically this is acidic buffer solution. Basic buffer solution means, like, for example, we're taking basic buffer solution. We call it basic buffer solution because it has a weak base, no sir,
Correct,
because that's the
correct,
point
correct,
of
correct.
solution. Okay, sir. I had that doubt. Why is it called acidic buffer and
Okay,
basic buffer?
okay. NH4 Cl can dissociate 100% na here
Yes, sir.
plus Cl minus. Then NH4OH can dissociate equilibrium. So you can apply same Kb formula everything here. I can write Kb equal to NH4 plus same as it is derivation. Nothing is difference here.
Yes, sir.
NH4OH. But take OH
Over here,
minus is
we will be changing, but log salt by base, sir.
yes, correct,
Like
correct.
PKB plus log
POH
salt by base.
equal to PKB plus log of salt by base.
Yes, sir. And then pH will be 14 minus this value.
Correct. Very good. Correct. pH equal to 14 minus POH. This is the
Okay, sir.
formula. Here question
Okay.
mark is in given question which formula you have to use. We have salt weak P actually you can see we have weak acid formula pH calculation, weak base we have that one, and salt hydrolysis we have that one. Three formulas again: strong acid plus weak base, then again strong base plus weak acid. Again both are weak is there na? Both are weak.
Yes, sir. But here
Weak
strong.
acid plus weak
Acid
base.
strong.
So and buffer
Yeah.
solution you have two formulas. Which one you have to use the in given question? How to identify which formula you have to use? Got it? This is the
Yes, sir.
final question mark for most of the students. That's we'll discuss.
Okay, sir.